Yeah. Hi,
Yes, yes.
Sunita.
Hello, how are you?
Fine, fine. And you?
I'm also doing fine today. Okay,
Yeah.
so how is the
It's
weather
nice to
there?
talk. Weather is since night it's raining.
Mm-hmm. Okay, here also it's been raining continuously. Where are you from, by the way?
I'm from Uttarakhand also and
Mm-hmm.
belong to Chamoli. I live in
Oh,
Dehradun right now.
glad to know,
Actually, I
glad to know.
shifted. Yeah, I shifted before 6 months in Dehradun. I live
Okay,
in Delhi before that.
okay, so from Delhi to Dehradun. Was there any
Yeah,
particular
because
reason?
it's not a particular reason, just because of weather.
Mm-hmm.
There is for now day by day it's very polluted city.
Right, right. But I feel Dehradun is also turning into Delhi very quickly, very
Yeah,
rapidly.
but it's the outer side,
Mm-hmm.
so it's nice.
Nice. Okay, glad. And for the same
Yeah.
reason, I have shifted from Dehradun to my village, like same as you. Because of the pollution, you shifted to Dehradun. So because of the kind of atmosphere in Dehradun, I shifted to my village. So I'm sure that very
Okay.
soon you are also going to shift to your village.
Yeah, if I have some business type, I realize that Dehradun or village, it's
Hmm.
only for government employee, right? Because you know what, life for surviving is money, income source needed.
Right,
So
right.
you have to some income source, then you can shift it villages and Dehradun also. I feel that
Hmm.
lack of facility in Dehradun as compared Delhi.
Yes.
So if you from private job, you have to settle in Delhi. It's
But
suited, but
hmm.
yeah.
You get handsome salary,
So
but still the expenses are also very high. The living
yeah,
expenses.
yeah, yeah.
So it's all depend on your mindset, I believe. If you are fine with whatever you are getting, whatever place, location, or facilities you are with right now, if you are fine with it, then you feel good, you feel satisfaction. Otherwise, you'll always feel lack of some or the other thing in your life.
Hmm.
Right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm so happy to see you. Actually, one day I just scroll the YouTube channel and I saw your YouTube video. Just I think you are with your Devrani, I
Okay, that one.
think.
Hmm.
It's a daily blog. So I'm just very impressive video that I just saw and right now I'm just addicted your video and Disney video. It's video very inspiring for me.
Great, great. So you've
Yeah.
recently started watching conversations.
Yeah. Now I'm watching conversation video.
Hmm.
You are and with me.
Okay, great, great, great. So how long have you been working on your English?
Pardon?
How long have you been working on your English?
Um, it's a very long time, but that time I just disappoint myself. It's not a cup of my tea. But now you and Rajni's video, just I'm very inspired and I just try again.
Good, good. Even I also inspired from somebody else's video. His name was Sanjay actually. So I inspired from his video. You're inspiring from our video. So the chain goes on.
Yeah,
It's good. We all are
definitely.
inspiring each other.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
yes,
Uh,
exactly. But
Okay, great.
seriously, when you just gave my email reply, I just it's made my night, not day. I'm just waiting a whole night and morning.
Uh-huh.
I just want to talk and this and that.
Mm-hmm.
So
Right. So anything on your mind? Have you prepared something for the session or you just want a random talk?
it's a random talk. I thought you call me on phone, and
Uh-huh.
I just want to how to improve myself, and I want to join your class also.
Right.
So
For classes, actually,
yeah,
I'm not taking up new classes because I'm stuck in something. My father is not well, actually, so I'm going through a lot these days. So I thought of not to start new classes these days, but after some time, I'll start. That's why I told you. So I thought let's go for conversation only, one time conversation, and then later on we can think about it, right?
Okay. So what about your experience in English, Yari? I took a trial class yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
It's good. Not I'm not now enrolled myself.
How
So
was
I'm
the
taking
how was your
yeah.
experience?
It's nice, but I feel that 25 minutes it's not much more.
Mm-hmm. You feel it's not
Yeah,
enough.
yeah, it's not enough. That's why I just confused for that.
Uh,
So ma'am told me you can take a two sessions,
in a day.
one by one. Yeah, one by
Mm-hmm.
one. If you want to two session, you can take one by one.
Right, right. That can be done, but I feel that you should be very clear about your goal before joining English
Yeah.
Shari, because most of the tutors they will be, after finding out your mistakes only, and then you'll feel even more
Mm,
demotivated. When people keep on taunting you about your mistake, you don't feel encouraged, rather you feel discouraged. So that will
okay.
take a toll on your communication skills as well. So you should be very clear whatever you want to gain from those classes. Like for me, they were telling me advanced vocabularies, idioms, but my goal was not that. My goal was to polish my basic English language skills. So you also have to be very clear about it. You have to tell them. And it happens that again and again you have to tell to, if you'll go for different tutors, then you have to tell them again and again. It will waste your time, right? So I
Yeah.
believe if you want to go for English Shari, it's good. It is costly, although it's costly. You can go
Yeah.
for other tutors as well. Like you may get other tutors like us only. You can go for them. They'll provide you courses at a very reasonable cost. You can go for Himachali
Yeah.
tutor Neha Rana. So I have known her
Okay.
for some time now. She is really good. But for to her also you have to explain like whatever are your goals, because she also knows very advanced vocabularies and idioms. So depends. If you'll
How I
tell
connect
her
with
your
her?
requirement, she'll handle you accordingly.
Okay. How I connect with her?
You can take her email ID from her profile, or I'll share it with you.
Okay.
I'll share it with you. So you can go for that.
Okay.
She takes very nominal charges and she'll provide you good classes. Right? So, like this, also, there are many tutors. You can take demo classes and then you can go for
Mm-hmm.
it, whichsoever you want. Because at this level,
Okay.
you need more time. 25 minutes is definitely not enough.
Yeah,
Right?
I just little confused for the
Mm-hmm.
timing time. Yeah.
Right.
It's not
And
enough for me, no?
yes. And apart from that, you need someone who could teach you according to their own experiences. Someone who has gone through the same kind of things you have been going through these days,
Yeah.
right? So they'll
That's
teach you
why I
better.
can, yeah, that's why I connect with you. I also mailed to Rajni ma'am. I think
Mhm.
she is now it's a celebrity, so it didn't take. You also celebrity, but you reply
No,
me. You
no.
just you are from Uttarakhand, and Uttarakhand peoples are very very
Mhm.
polite and kindness. I know that.
Right. Rajni also started her
All,
journey from the very scratch, so she could be a very
yeah.
good tutor.
Yeah, I just watched
Mm.
her video last 2 years.
Mhm.
How she that was and what she is now.
The
It's a drastic
transformation.
thing. Yeah, it's a
Yes, yes.
transformation is so good, you know.
Hmm. Right.
Yeah,
So
it's
you
very
can
nice.
learn from these kind of people who have experienced the same
Yeah.
thing that you've been going through, right? So they can tell you better. But if you go for these professional tutors, definitely they are very good tutors. They are very fluent. They'll teach you whatever you want. But still, apart from just teaching the people that are the normal people, they can give you experiences, knowledge, or whatever. They can simply teach you from their own experiences apart from grammar or the journal talks
Yeah.
and everything. So you get much more.
Yeah. Yeah, she gave me feedback yesterday. She just told me your grammar and vocabulary is
Hmm.
work on this topic. Otherwise, your reading and your confidence is okay, but your
Hmm.
grammar, I know my grammar is weak, you know. Yeah, sentence frame.
Mm-hmm.
Sometime I miss tenses also. It's
Mm-hmm.
not a regular exercise, so yeah, it's
It happens.
happened.
It happened with
Yeah,
me
I
also when
know.
I started. So that time
Mm,
I was also making many grammar mistakes and tenses
yeah,
and everything. But gradually I overcome it when I immersed myself in English content, like through observing, through listening, reading. I have recently started. I was struggling to find out my genre of interest, but now I found it. I read books from Sudha Murthy. I am really interested in her books. So I have started with one. The name of that book is The Mother I Knew from Sudha Murthy. So I've read 2 to 3 chapters, and the book is so interesting. I'm so curious to know what happens next. Right. So now I found my genre after such a long time. Like I've been struggling with reading for a good time, like for 2, 3 months. I wanted to start it very early on, but still I was not able to find out the genre. I tried fictional and non-fictional books as well, but all went into vain. Like people were suggesting fictional and non-fictional books, but you don't have to go by what people say all the time. You have to experience it
yeah,
yourself. You have to find, explore things. Now I found my genre, so I'm very good. Now I just keep my phone aside and I try to go for books only.
yeah, yeah. I'm just
Mm.
reading Good Wife and Good Life, also good book. I read that book from last 6, 7 days.
Okay,
Also
great.
read Robin Goggins book, but it's so boring. So I just left the book and
Hmm.
read the Good Life and Good Wife is very nice book.
Hmm. It's good. It happens that what book
Yeah,
I like, it doesn't mean that you'll also like it.
yeah,
You
yeah.
have to experience it on your own.
Oh, I just like that book. It's a daily basis. Yeah, just like a what you can say, just like a daily
Mm-hmm.
हमारे साथ जो होती हैं
Right,
चीजें
right.
like
You can relate with that book.
yeah, मतलब that types of book I like it.
Hmm. Same here, same. I also have that kind of interest. The books that we can relate to, we find it better, we find it
Yeah.
interesting because we are able to relate to each and every line that we read.
Mm,
Okay,
yeah.
good. So apart from this, do you have any plans? How will you approach your grammar mistakes? Or are you very concerned about mistakes? Do you want a
Yeah,
perfect
I'm very
English?
यस श्योर आपको कितना टाइम लगा था मतलब जस्ट इम्प्रूव करने के लिए आई
I
एम सॉरी
started
सॉरी
in
बट
mid
आई
of
डोंट
August.
फील एक्टिंग
I started in mid of August last year, and I don't
ओके
think it took me much time because, when you get to know about these simple tips or tricks, you can say, like where to use base form of verb, where to use past tense, and some irregular verbs, then you become really very confident while speaking. You just get that confidence that yes, I'm speaking it accurately. Otherwise you make mistake here and there, that's totally okay, but at least you don't make silly mistakes. So when you'll come to know
या
about these tricks, by reading also or by watching 2 videos, or you simply, I can give you one session on that, and I'll tell you like the things that you have to take care while speaking in spoken English, basically. So I'll tell you what are the things that you have to take care of. You will be like more than 50% sure while speaking when you'll get to know about it, right? Other than this, you can keep on improving day by day. When you watch or when you simply immerse yourself in English, you'll get to know more things on everyday basis. You'll keep on learning, right? So you'll keep on adding to your bucket and you become even more confident with time when you acquire knowledge, right? But still, you will be better at your accuracy. Like whatever mistakes you'll be making, you will be able to overcome it with just one go. When you'll come to know about it, you have to make conscious efforts to not to make that mistakes again. Initially, it happens that we have to make conscious effort. We have to think before speaking whether we are saying it right or not. But with practicing it 2 to 3 times, after practicing it 2 to 3 times, you'll be better at it. Then it will come to you naturally, right? Words will just
ओके
fall out of your mouth in a correct manner naturally. You need not to make
जस्ट
efforts,
गॉट
but initially, yes.
I will definitely try. I just
Hmm.
what I think about only in English last 6, 7 days.
Hmm.
In my mind, only English, 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 and my son also irritating, irritate me with me. Mama, what are you doing? And again, you are reading, you are watching the videos, so watch some other things. Just
Mm-hmm.
leave it. I said to him, just leave it. You do your work, and I do my work. You
That's so
know.
true because I was also on the same boat as you when I started. I was, into English all the time while cooking, while, sweeping the floor or doing anything.
Yeah,
English was just there.
that
English
time I
was in
just
my
watch
second
the
nature.
video.
Mm. But now I've slowed it down gradually because now I've become comfortable with it. So I've slowed it down.
Yeah,
No,
you are
I
very
don't do it all
confident.
the
You
time
are very
now.
confident.
So initially,
Yeah.
we all do that. When we find a new interest, a new passion, we try to do it no matter what
Yeah.
other things we are doing. We want to just grab things very quickly. But this is not natural. It takes time, right? But it's good. It's so natural. Like while cooking also, you can simply play any video of your interest, or while dusting, while folding clothes, anytime. You just have to feed your brain with English, right? So you'll pick up
Yeah.
some or the other thing. You're doing it passively, so obviously you'll not get it 100%, but at least you'll pick up something. But other than this, you have to take some time out for 15, 20 minutes or half an hour. Just take some time out for active learning. So in that, you can take a book or you can take a particular video, watch that video, read the subtitles after that. Like you can simply mute the video and read the subtitles. You're doing reading practice. After that, you can write about that video, summarize that video in your own words. So write about it. Okay, you get enough time to recall the words or recall the things that you have just watched, and then record your video speaking of that video, speaking on that topic. So you're touching every aspect of learning through just one video. You're doing active learning, right? You're consciously learning things. So this is something you have to do in your day. So dedicate a particular time for it, half an hour maybe, and then do it. Otherwise, you are doing it all day long. Passive learning, you're doing it all day long. Okay? That's good.
Yeah.
It will happen. Just don't panic about it. I also took 6 months. Like I'm the kind of position I am at now, right now. It took me 6 months. I started in mid of
Wow.
August last year, and it took me around 6 months to be here at this position. But you have to be calm. Don't panic. Don't be anxious, right? It will take
Sometimes
time.
I just disappoint from myself, my just silly mistake, and
Hmm.
I just tried yesterday in on ChatGPT. I just write down the something my day about my day, and it's a silly mistakes. So I just yawn, shit, yeah, again this mistake. That time I was just disappointed that time, but still,
But you should
no,
be
I have to
encouraged.
do.
You should be
Yeah.
encouraged with whatever you are learning, right? It's just that you don't have to repeat your mistakes. Today you made some mistakes, but make sure you'll not make those mistakes tomorrow. Okay, just
Yeah.
learn with it. So don't feel discouraged, rather feel encouraged that you're learning on day basis, right? I also used to make
Yes.
many mistakes, but I don't think about it now because I've overcome that situation now. So you
Yeah.
just have to learn, practice, and apply it in your speaking while you converse with people. Do you practice speaking also with co-learners?
No, right now I don't have any co-learners with me, but I just watch your videos. I,
Hmm.
and it's not, uh, and yeah, I just upload the application of CV,
Okay, you
and
downloaded that.
you,
Hmm.
yeah, you get upload me, sorry, install.
Download,
Yeah.
install. Hmm.
Yeah, yeah. So it's you have a half an hour for talk to each to something
Co-learners.
co-learner.
Hmm.
Yeah, you can talk to them, but yeah, I'm not comfortable with mail. It's a, paid version. You can select the gender,
Hmm.
but I'm not paying anything amount right now. So
Mm-hmm.
it's I'm not comfortable with mail. I don't know how they are. So
Mm-hmm.
I just when some girls are talking hello, then I
Then
will
only you talk.
yeah.
Mhm.
But I don't know they are from where, and so
Hmm.
I'm not. not comfortable right now, but still I'm trying.
That's okay. That's totally your preference, whosoever you want to talk. Other than this, if
Uh,
you're comfortable with these kind of video conversation, then contact YouTubers and have your conversation with them.
yeah.
Because this is the one thing, conversations only. I started from with the conversation from the very first day, and I've been doing it
Okay.
continuously. So conversation is something that helped me a lot. Okay. So initially
Yeah.
I was speaking, but I was making mistakes. But I continued with it. Like today I learned something, so I'll apply it to my next conversation. And then I'll learn more and I'll again apply it. Like keep on applying to my conversation. You get people, on day-to-day basis. So do conversations from the very beginning, do speaking practice from the very beginning. I did most of the conversations only. Other than that, I didn't get much time because of busy schedule, kids, family, and everything. But conversation is
Yeah.
something that I stick to from the very beginning until now. Okay, so I can say that conversation helped me. And apart from this, you have to provide yourself input also. So I used to prepare for conversation initially. I used to write down some questions, some everyday questions that I could ask in my conversations, right? And then I used to
Yeah.
revise it before going for the conversation. So whatever comes to my mind spontaneously, I used to ask people. Over time
Oh,
I have become so comfortable with conversation. Questions naturally started coming to me, or answers
oh,
naturally started coming
yeah.
to me. So it happens with practice. Initially you have to put efforts, but over time it will come to you naturally. So you
Yeah.
also have
Is
to just
habit.
write down whatever you want to speak, right? Anything in
Yeah.
your mind, just write it down. One or two times you can simply read it. Third time it will come to you naturally,
Yeah.
right? So you have to put some
First
efforts.
thing, I want to boost my confidence and speaking skill,
Mhm.
so that after that I just connect to other YouTubers or other co-learners, right? So I can, so you I can speak something. And I thought you just talk about my classes and that's and that,
Mhm.
so I just connect with you.
No issues, no issues. Apart from this, CVU, you are already trying. Try to connect with ladies only if you want. So you can simply go for that. But you have to do speaking practice on daily basis. Then only you can
Yeah.
expect improvement,
Now I
right?
connect with male also.
Ah, that's totally fine. You're doing that for learning purpose only. You need not to disclose your personal or private details, right? You
Yeah.
simply for there for learning purpose. You can give them topics. You can ask them certain questions. They'll answer. Anytime if you'll feel uncomfortable, just cut the call, hang up the call, and
Yeah.
go for the other one.
Definitely.
Okay?
Yeah.
So there is no such mandatory things that you have to do. And you
Oh,
get different kind of people. So you have to be smart enough who you want
yeah.
to proceed with the conversation or not. Simply hang up the call. You don't feel good, right?
Definitely.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay.
All
Apart
the
from
suggestions
this,
so good.
apart from
Just
this,
boost my
anything?
confidence.
Hmm. Good, good,
So
good.
help me by a mail, whatever. And you just give the Himachali. What Himachali?
Neha Rana, Himachali tutor.
Neha Rana.
She's
Okay,
also
I
good.
connect with,
Mhm.
yeah, I connect with her today. You don't have time, so I connect with her.
Hmm. Right,
Please,
right.
whenever you are free, then please connect me and take my class.
I'll tell you some tips. And
Yeah.
maybe if on Friday or Saturday this week, I'll call you. Okay, then I'll tell you some tips. And that would definitely help
Okay.
you. And other than that, I'll ask Neha also. I'll give your reference to her, and then I'll talk to her and I'll give her number to you also. I feel that she's very good tutor. She's also from Hindi medium background, but she has transformed immensely, like her communication skills. So she also started from the
I'm a
very
Hindi
scratch.
medium, but, my education all in Delhi. But you
Mm-hmm.
know what? Delhi only books are English and speaking wise is zero.
Hmm.
That's why it's a big problem
Right.
in middle class family we have to face.
Hmm. Even I was
Because
also in KV all the time, but still there was no speaking environment.
yeah,
But we can't crib
speaking
about
environment
it.
is important.
Hmm.
Yeah.
It's
My
never too
master
late.
also, I have done my MCA from IGNOU in English medium also, but speaking skills And I
Right.
have experienced 7 years in a school from
Hmm.
yeah IT teacher.
Right. And our
But
parents used to pay this hefty amount for English medium schools only so that we could learn
yeah,
English, but still we were lacking in speaking environment.
yeah. I realized that I so that I have not admit to my son to
Mm-hmm.
bigger school.
Hmm.
It's a speaking skills were they are also speaking skill is zero. They are not
Okay.
speaking. Yeah, I am talk with teachers always, then
Mm-hmm.
speak in class with English. Yeah, I think teacher also speaking, but the students are not bothered that.
Hmm. Right. Students need that push or that
Yeah,
kind of compulsory environment where they have no other option but to speak in English. Then only they'll speak. Otherwise, they're comfortable with mother tongue or Hindi. They'll speak in that only.
yeah,
Right? But still, if there is no such speaking environment in school, you can create that kind of environment for your kids at home only. Like
yeah,
I also taught
yeah,
my kid English at home only, right? So
yeah.
that is doable. So it's
My
just
son is
that.
in ninth class, and he
Hmm.
correct me for framing a sentence. But
It's good.
he don't speak. He don't speak. But
Hmm.
he know everything. But he don't
Hmm.
speak. But
Right.
when I speak with him, and he just correct my sentences, Mama, it's
Hmm.
wrong. Mama, it's wrong.
Good. He's
Yeah.
correcting
So
you
yeah. I
at
told him,
least.
why are you not speaking with me? If
Hmm.
you know the English very well. It's
They feel
it's a mother
irritating.
tongue,
They are
na?
just kid. They are just kids,
Yeah,
and we can't tell them to be our practice partners if they don't like, right? So,
yeah,
but it's good that he's correcting you. At least you are learning something, no?
yeah.
One thing I want to tell you, you have to work on subject verb agreement. Like you told me, he don't talk to me. So it would be he doesn't talk to me.
He doesn't talk to me.
Hmm.
Okay.
He के साथ you don't have to use don't. He, she, it के साथ you
Yeah.
can use does. He doesn't talk to
Mm,
me. She doesn't go to the park. Like that. Okay?
mm.
So this is
Whenever I
subject verb
speak, this
agreement.
mistakes happen.
Hmm.
These are mistakes happen. When I write, then it's okay. It's correct. But when I speak, I'm go blank. And my son also told me, "You, mama, your phrase sentence are ulta pulta sa."
But at least you're
Mama, you
trying.
think? Yeah,
You're taking that first step, and it all starts from that first step only. I was also making such mistakes, but consciously I made efforts to not to make these mistakes again. So now it comes to me naturally. He does, she does, he goes. It comes to me naturally because I was also making such mistakes. I knew the grammar rules, but still, when we speak with a flow. So that's why whatever comes to us randomly, we speak that. And that's natural. It's
yeah,
good. Don't think about mistakes much, that you're making mistakes. Otherwise, you'll always feel discouraged and you'll not be able to improve. Right? So don't feel about mistakes, but focus on speaking all the time. Okay? Mistakes you will naturally overcome over time. Fine? Mm.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Seriously. But it's
It's a pleasure.
boost my confidence. You
Right.
just correct my
I also want to inspire people. I want them to know that it's okay to make mistakes. People are so paranoid about making mistakes, no? And they are also very concerned about these advanced and fancy words, and they are just running after these words, and they are not
yeah.
polishing their basic skills. But first it is important to polish your basic skills. Even I am also at that stage where I polish my basic skills. I don't run after advanced vocabularies. Later in the stage you can do that,
Yeah,
but people
you
are so
can do that.
confused what to do, what to leave, right? So we just need
Yeah.
to guide them so that they could go slow and correct.
Yes,
Right?
exactly.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Okay, so I think I've told you enough for today. Let's meet some other day,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
I
surely,
hope you
surely.
like the session.
Yeah, definitely. I hope I like it very much. It's boost my confidence, seriously.
Great, great, great. Okay, then see you
Okay,
in this week later. All right.
okay.
Okay, then have a
Yeah,
good
thank you
day.
so much.
Bye.
Okay, same to you. Okay, bye.